Here's a quick review of the Galaxy S23 from Samsung in green. This is pretty much the base model of the Galaxy line. For the S23 line, you have the S23 base, which is what I'm holding, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra. Now, if you want a phone that's easy in your hands to hold and just does everything you need to do day-to-day, daily driver, or just everyday carry, this phone might be for you because of how easy this is to handle. It feels like it's a throwback to the phones of 10 years ago when the phone's a little bit more smaller. As you can see right here, I can hold it in my hand. I can grip it pretty easily. It doesn't feel like it's too big for one-handed use. And the buttons, as you can see, we have the volume rockers right here, the power. It's all accessible. Nothing on the left side of the phone. You have the SIM tray, the 3 cameras. In this phone, I have a little camera protection. And this material on the back, it feels so good. Smooth. It's like iodized or aluminum or something. It's just very smooth and easy to use. It's not too fingerprint heavy. And if you want to use a phone that's just not too big, this is the perfect size phone. The phone is very snappy. Everything kind of works as is. No issues with this phone at all. It's a very good phone. Your daily driver phone, I feel like this is the perfect idea of a daily driver phone. If you like Android or Samsung products, the S23 base, it's awesome. And here's what you expect from the box when you get this phone. This is the box it comes with. It comes with the USB-C connection. Here's your cable. Here's your SIM pick. This phone is just very solid, really easy to hold in your hands and just to use for basic functions and a little bit more than that.